All right, superstars, so we're about to make another quick little juice for you guys. So we have some gala apples and we have some strawberries. We're going to also juice the stems. We washed everything very well. And then I'm going to cut some oranges here. This mixture is actually really, really yummy. My dad loves it. It's like one of his favorite go-to juices. So this is actually going to be for him, you guys. If you guys are not into juicing, or you're like trying to figure out how to get into juicing, I tend to post videos with just like beginner friendly recipes because it can be a little overwhelming. So I hope that you guys take something away from this video. It's going to be loaded with tons of antioxidants. Berries are super, super good and healthy for you. We're getting a ton of vitamin C from our oranges, and we're getting a lot of fiber to keep things moving smoothly with our apples. And believe it or not, apples actually get you in a really good mood. I guess that's why they say an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Before we go ahead and get everything turned on, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe before you head out. Click the notification bell so you don't miss any one of our new uploads. And like, comment, and share on this video. I'll list the ingredients used in case, you know, some of you are visual. Like, some people are visual, but some people need it written down too. So I will do that for you guys in the description box below. And I'll list all of our other social media platforms so you guys can follow us there. So let's get to juicing, shall we? All right, y'all. So let's just adjust this just a pinch. All right, so remember what I told you guys, soft flesh always goes on the bottom. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our strawberries in the middle. And then we're going to add in our apples. Remember, I told you guys, if you guys do not have this shut all the way, your juicer will not operate. So as the fruits start to break down, then we'll add in our last two oranges. I mean, apples, Lord, it's been a day, you guys. And there it is. We're gonna let it rip. I'm gonna let this stay in real time so you guys can actually see how long it takes for the juicer to break down our produce. It's a really, really, really good mixture, you guys. It's super refreshing, it's very yummy, and you guys should definitely try it. So I'm gonna go ahead and empty that a little bit. I'm gonna pause it so that I can add in our other apples. And the reason why I left the apples pretty much whole is so that you guys can like see that it actually does break down large pieces of fruit. All right, back on. Look at that thing go, y'all. I mean, I'm just obsessed. Like, I can't even deal. It's almost done, you guys. This is the proof in the pudding, okay? This is why I wanted to show you guys real time so you guys can see how fast it is for your produce to break down into this juicer. Like, that's just goodness. Just goodness. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna marry it into this pitcher here a couple times between the two of them so that everything gets mixed up really well. Here is our pulp. Nice and dry, as you guys can see. I mean, this is definitely a mixture that I could probably throw into a smoothie if I wanted to, so that some of that pulp doesn't go to waste. All right, let's get some containers. All right, so these are 12-ounce glasses. I don't like to overload my dad with too much at one time. The 12 ounces he does very well with. Getting close to the brim. Look at that, you guys. Look how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Whoa, to the brim, baby. I should have measured it in the container beforehand, but that's all right. All right, nothing's leaking out. And there you have it, you guys. Orange, strawberry, red apple juice. Very, very, very yummy. Super refreshing. You can pour it over ice or just drink it like cold out the refrigerator. So yeah, you guys, so here is a nice 3-ingredient juice to kickstart your day, or to have really honestly during any part of your day. Loads of vitamin C, tons of antioxidants, and lots of fiber. So it's definitely a yummy feel-good juice for your gut health. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys try it. And I will list other key benefits and the ingredients that were used. I'll list a link to the juicer also in the description box below. But spread love. It costs nothing to tell somebody that you love them. And I hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and like and share on this video. All right, you guys, see you next time.